Hi Lumineers, welcome to the Alive Expo in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm Jamie Butler, the Everyday Medium. This is a great space to learn how there is no competition. We are all in this together. Collaboration. Collaboration and competition don't really go together very well, do they? If you fall into one, you can't do the other. Now, we think when we're in business that we have to compete, we have to be the best. But here, in the health, wealth, and spirituality industry, guys, there's no competition. It is only collaboration, as we're going to work this in such different ways that we can't really be a competition to each other. So when you're seeing somebody else do similar work to you, and you go, oh, wow, they're doing it better, or they're making more, or they're doing less, or I'm better than them, ask yourself, why are you doing the judgment? What do you really need to be getting out of this? Is it that you do want louder music or flashier things? And if so, why aren't you doing this for yourself? Okay, so cheers to understanding where the judgment is coming from, how we can turn it into feeding our own needs, and how we can collaborate rather than compete. Look at all these incredible booths, guys. The Live Expo has been so much fun. Take care, Lumineers.